In this video, we'll be looking at flanges to suit Series 1 white PVC pressure pipe manufactured to AS/NZS 1477. In this range, we have options of PVC stub flanges with galv backing rings, PVC fixed full face flanges, and Vanstone rotating ring type flanges. By using flanges, you can create a strong leak-proof connection when connecting onto components of a piping system such as pipes, valves, and pumps. The use of flanges allows for an easy disconnection point, allowing for easy maintenance and modification to the piping system. There are various flange options available to suit different configurations, including table D&E, ANSI 150, DIN PN10 and 16, and also options available with universal compatibility. Let's take a closer look at each flange type, starting with the PVC stub flange and galvanized steel backing ring. The stub flange incorporates a socket to glue onto the pipe, and on the other side has a flat surface which forms the flange sealing face either with a flange gasket or against a valve liner. These stub flanges are available to suit PVC pipe sizes from 50mm through to 375mm nominal bore size. The backing ring is made from hot dip galvanized steel, and the type we stock are all drilled to suit AS2129 Table E bolt pattern. Some sizes in this range will also match the Table D specification. The backing ring slips over the outside of the stub flange socket, and when bolted, it pulls up against and is retained by the flange raised face portion. This forms a robust connection point. Having the stub flange and backing ring as separate components allows you to rotate the backing ring, making it easier for installers to get accurate alignment in the pipeline, the flange, and with any components in the pipeline such as valving. Although galvanized steel, as used for the backing rings, is generally highly corrosion resistant, we don't recommend using it in severely corrosive environments such as marine or industrial chemical applications due to its tendency to corrode in the long term. Here we have the PVC full face flange. These are a fixed face one-piece flange. They're very robust with a heavy PVC wall thickness and ribs on the outside of the socket for added strength. One important consideration with these flanges is, compared to the rotating ring options, once you have glued the flange onto the pipework, you may be limited in your orientation adjustment to get alignment without adjusting the orientation of the pipeline or the equipment you're connecting to, which can look untidy. Therefore, it is a good idea to use orientation marks when you're assembling the flange onto the pipework to ensure you have alignment right before making the final glued connection. The PVC full face flange is available in sizes 50 to 150mm, excluding 125, and all sizes have slotted holes giving a universal bolt pattern compatibility. These flanges, being one piece, are generally a lower cost option. The Vanstone rotating ring type is a two-piece assembly and is our most popular PVC flange, largely due to its versatility. It consists of a centre stub and backing ring, all made from heavy-duty PVC. Again, it is universally drilled, suiting most common flange specifications. They're available in sizes to suit pipe from 50mm up to 300mm nominal bore size, excluding 65mm and 125mm. This PVC flange is very versatile, and one of its biggest advantages is if you've already glued the flange in place, you're still able to rotate the backing ring to align it to whatever you're bolting the flange onto. This feature does make these Vanstone flanges slightly more expensive than other PVC Series 1 flanges. You will note that sizes 50mm to 100mm have a dark grey coloured PVC backing ring, whereas typically sizes 150 to 300 have a light grey colour PVC backing ring, which is glass reinforced, providing even greater strength in these bigger sizes. Next, we have some general information that is applicable to all three types of PVC flanges. All these flange assemblies are very robust and an excellent option for use in general water applications such as irrigation systems, water treatment, filtration systems, swimming pool water reticulation, and many other industrial and plumbing applications. The standard pressure rating ranges from PN6 to PN18 at 20 degrees, but this will depend on the size and flange configuration, and will need to be derated if the flanges are being used at elevated temperatures above 20 degrees. We recommend that you download our technical PVC pressure pipe and fittings booklet, which can be found on our website to determine the pressure ratings for PVC flanges. As with all PVC fittings, the recommended operating temperature is between 4 and 40 degrees C, with a maximum temperature of 60 degrees for short-term peaks and fluctuations. Getting flange alignment is critical to ensuring a positive seal in a flange connection. To get alignment, it is important that you match the correct flange configurations or bolt patterns. If you're unsure what flange configuration you have, you can determine this by measuring the PCD. Check out our separate video on how to measure the PCD of a flange. Thanks for watching this video. You can check out our PVC flanges on our website, or if you have any questions, please contact our team. We are here to help.